In this video, I will show you how to see your earnings on Lyft Driver. You can do this on your app or you can do this on the desktop. And right now I'm on my desktop. And what you need to do is you need to be sure that you are logged in. And once you are logged in, you need to go to the earnings section in your app. And then you need to click on review your daily earnings if you want to see it per day. And you can also export an earnings statement by basically clicking on this earnings statement option. And you can also have a summary document for a weekly summary or an annual summary. So how do you actually see your earnings? Well, you need to follow these steps. You need to get started and tap the dollar amount at the top of the Lyft Driver app. And once you are in there, you can see your earnings from a different time period. And then you can tap on week, month, or year. So tap on week, month, or year if you want. And then you can also click on the tab See All Activity to find ride earnings, including tips and tolls, earned bonuses, and canceled rides. So if you want to review earnings for a specific day, you can also do that by clicking the dollar amount again and then clicking Seeing All Activity and then select a specific ride or bonus to view details. So that is basically how you do it. If you want an earnings statement, you can basically click on Account, select your info, under the driver header select Earnings Statement and choose your time frame. And then enter an email address to send your reference letter to. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.